Hello, part two of the Black & Decker push LED lighting. Anyway, a couple things I wanted to cover here was I worked a little bit on, I'll have to do a little bit more work on getting the wall prepped a little better, but we're putting a backsplash on anyway, so that's going to be hidden. I got the trim work done on the window, the extension jamb. That went well. And there again, it shows where I ran the wire up through underneath there. They hide pretty well. You have to, when you're standing up from this location, obviously when you sit down on a chair or get on the floor, you'll see that the wiring and stuff underneath it, but I think it hides itself pretty well. One thing I forgot to mention is both of these, there's not a splice. It comes down to a little control box that you can mount underneath a cabinet and just be able to run your hand underneath it and turn them on and off. But I didn't think that would work out too well. Besides that, I didn't have enough wire to make that work, and the wires had to been run kind of back and forth a lot to be able to get this accomplished. So I decided against that, and I mounted the transformer. It's a 24-volt system. I mounted the transformer under the sink. So beware of my mess of wires and stuff underneath here. Here's the actual control panel. You can see the wires for the one side of the cabinet, so wires go to the other side of the cabinet, and then that middle wire actually comes from the power supply. And I have it actually wired in to my, you can't have a garbage disposal with a septic system without really going all out on building a septic system, so we decided not to do that. So the house came wired for garbage disposal. I can actually shut that off, but I can't turn it on with the electricity. So this is how I got power to it. So you can see back there's a hole in the wall that I fished the actual two wires from the lights. They are a 3-conductor solid core 20 gauge wire, and they are pretty stiff wires. So, and I would recommend buying the wires that are for the system. What was really strange is I couldn't get the wire from Amazon. I had to order it from Home Depot online. Couldn't go into a Home Depot either and got it because they don't stock it. So it's just strange how things work out. I could have ordered the whole thing right from Black & Decker. If you Google Black & Decker push LED, it comes to a different website, Pure Light, I think, or something like that. I might be wrong on that. I will probably put down a link in the description to the Amazon, Home Depot, and the Black & Decker site. I really like them. I don't know. Time will tell here. I hope I don't have problems with them, but kind of cool. Let me demonstrate. If I shut off the light here, obviously that works. Cuts the power to the transformer. Turn it back on. You think it'd come back on? No. You got to push the little button underneath here, or if you wanted to bend over the way I have it set up, bend over and then run your hand past the sensor. It's a infrared sensor, I think, that just recognizes that you ran your hand past it. There's supposed to be a 3-hour timer on this. I didn't see that it worked, but I'm thinking that you actually have to use the hand sensor to use it. I'll probably test it over the weekend and see if that's so or not. But I like them. They light up nice. and everything. But like I said, here's just a follow-up of part 2, because I know I was running out of camera space, and I know that I needed to add some more information on it. So once we get the backsplash in, I got a guy coming to do that. I do most of my stuff. I didn't do the countertop. I did the I set the cabinets and different things here. The countertop, it was really, I wish I would have recorded that, but there again, there's a guy here, and I didn't think he'd really appreciate me recording what he was doing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.